Let's go back.
Alright, another day down at Case Modification. Just string line the rear up. Front's all square now. So yeah, we've changed to using the 75mm box here. So this will go in here, right up the back. Obviously has to be recut, but come up to here, rest of here. Pick up these rear pickup points that Eddie's welding up now.
Got it?
Yeah.
I'm that way a little bit. Yeah.
So we got these bits set up now. Come down into here. This bit will come across the rear. Pick up off here. So rear end's all sorted now. Peter's just welding up the brackets for here. Rear subframes getting sorted. Put these in. We'll end up tying a bit of a web bracket from here to here. We'll support it and chuck that in, and so it sits up nice. M20 bolts. We've got these engine mounts here, it's going to be solid mounted. Petey's just finishing up some grinding on the rear cradle there, and then yeah, turn it around and bolt it in. Probably going to have to do a bit of trimming up here, trim this out. Don't move that string line. Look at that. A bolt. I think you're getting oil a bit, huh? You're pretty good.
They're looking pretty good.
A bit more clearance here. Already got this, add another 80mm.
Oh, you said you wanted to make it look like it just fit in there.
Just fits in there.
It just fits in there.
Alright, another day done. Rear end's tied off. Got all our mounts on, down to the R33 cradle. Heaps of clearance for the drive shaft. Rear tub will be tied off these sections here, up to here. All that around bar. What else? I'll probably have to notch out a bit in there for the tail shaft to come through with our settle on. Other than that, everything else is looking pretty good. Rear hoops will come into here, lock into the bottom. Roughly got the engine sitting where it's going to sit. Got heaps of room for CRG to bring the headers out of here and do a bit of a roller coaster look. Probably lose about half an inch off this once we get all of our spacers and the high-rise manifold. Side on is looking pretty good. Well, that's it for today. Yeah, just getting there. Got heaps of room with the seat and stuff in here. We're going to run the rear hoop up over the back on probably a 10-degree angle. Yeah, there's not heaps of room, but we should have enough room in here for the pedal box, secondary firewall, and the tunnel. It's going to be tight, but we're lucky that we've got this extra bit of room on the back of the cab to work with. Yeah, other than that, yeah, can't thank Petey enough. You know, we've put a couple of big days into it. Pretty stoked with what we've knocked out. and it's looking unreal. I don't know if you can see that, but until Thursday, this is how it's going to sit, and come back down Thursday. Got the engine mounts here. Just going to have to get some plates cut so we can mount it. But yeah, another day done. I'm going to give it a bit of a body drop here, taking a bit out of here, the rear. Carbs all body drop here. Cage pickup point, come around here. Up the front, just got to trim a bit more out of up in here. And then grab this around. Run something like that. That way give me a bit of protection on my feet over here. Column bar, run across the top here. Yeah, for now we're just going to chop that out. Yeah, boy. Making up the engine mounts now. The ones we ordered didn't really suit this, so all the ones Petey had in stock. So we've made up our own little gadget there. Same on this side. Mounts finished in there. Got the seating position all sorted. Some plates in here. Petey's about to bend up a bit of PVC downpipe here. Carbs been dropped now. So down to the 80 mil. Just welding in the first loop. Have it come in on the side so we can allow for the roof to come off. Up here. Pull the roof straight up. Hey Petey. What do you mean, we're not finishing it tonight? Yep, perfect. Driver's side front leg going in. Looks sick from up there. First of the hoops in. Front legs. Rear. Got enough room for the rear cross to go into us behind there somewhere. Intrusion bars will come from here out into the doors. Sit in nicely behind there. From here to here with a bit of dimple die to bolt the carb on. Also another one down the bottom here. But yeah, it'll look cool. Having a bit of dimple die at the front here. Sweet. Let's get these carbs on. Wasn't a bad guess the other day when we worked out the spacing height. Probably sitting a bit higher than we actually thought. But yeah, you get the picture. He's going to be quite the thing to look out of. Yeah. Alright, that's it, calling it a day. Yeah, it's Thursday now, got a fair bit done. Today is probably a bit slower than what we've done over the other days. But yeah, it's really set us up for the next day we work on the car. We've got a lot of measurements sorted out. The front legs in of the roll cage and the rear hoop. Still chasing a carby spacer. The one we've got's not going to work. It's set up, or it sits north-south for a single carby. We need two side by side, so that's not going to work for us. So yeah, we'll just have to find another carby riser. Other than that, yeah, we'll go down and do the intrusion bars, front cross hoop, I guess you want to call it. Finish the legs off. We've got to put a bit of safety in there for my feet. Work out where the pedal box is going to hang. And yeah, other than that, it's coming together real good. That'll do the trick. A bit ugly, but have enough room to be able to step on the gas and do what we want to do.